Students will research various social media filters, focusing on their purpose and the psychological effects they may have on users. They will compile examples of popular filters and analyze how these filters alter perceptions of reality. Approach Step 1: Define social media filters and their purpose. Introduce social media filters. Explain that filters are digital overlays or edits that modify photos and videos, commonly used on platforms like Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. Discuss the purpose. Explore the reasons filters are popular, including enhancing photos, creating effects, achieving idealized beauty standards, and adding fun elements to images. Step to research popular social media filters. Identify common filters. Have students research a variety of popular filters, such as beauty filters, filters that smooth skin, change facial structure, or alter features like eye size, nose shape, and lip fullness. Augmented reality (AR) filters, filters that add elements like sunglasses, animal ears, or digital makeup to a face. Color lighting filters, filters that adjust colors, brightness, or contrast for aesthetic purposes. Compile examples. Encourage students to take screenshots or describe specific filters and note the effects these filters have on the appearance of photos or videos. Step 3: Analyze the psychological effects of filters. Research psychological impact. Have students research how frequent filter use can impact self-esteem, body image, and mental well-being. Topics to cover include idealized beauty standards, how beauty filters can create unrealistic appearance standards, leading users to compare themselves to a filtered version of reality, self-esteem and body image, how repeated filter use may cause users to feel dissatisfied with their natural appearance or feel pressured to look a certain way. Filter dependency. Explore the concept of filter dependency, where individuals feel uncomfortable posting unfiltered photos. Look for real-life studies or statistics. Encourage students to find studies, surveys, or articles discussing the effects of filters on mental health, particularly among teens and young adults. Step 4: Consider how filters alter perception of reality. Discuss reality distortion. Analyze how filters can blur the line between real and edited appearances, affecting viewers' perceptions of what is normal or achievable. Identify social comparison. Explore how viewing filtered images online can lead to negative self-comparison, especially if users believe others' filtered appearances are real. Discuss positive and negative effects. Acknowledge that while filters can be fun and creative, their overuse can also have negative effects on how people perceive reality. Step 5: Organize findings for the presentation or report. Create a clear layout. Organize the content with sections such as Introduction. Define social media filters and explain their popularity. Examples of popular filters. Provide a few examples of popular filters and describe the changes they make. Psychological effects. Summarize findings on how filters impact self-image, mental health, and body perception. Perception of reality. Discuss how filters can distort reality and lead to unhealthy comparisons. Include visuals, add images or screenshots of filters and a few statistics or quotes to make the presentation more engaging and informative. Step 6: Create the presentation or poster. Select a presentation tool. Use PowerPoint, Google Slides, Canva, or a poster design tool to present the information visually. Use clear design elements, include headings, visuals, and concise bullet points. Avoid cluttered text and focus on clear, impactful visuals and messages. Step 7. Review and edit. Peer review. Have students share their work with a peer to provide feedback on clarity, relevance, and depth of analysis. Check for sensitivity and respect. Ensure the presentation is sensitive to body image issues and respectful in discussing the effects of filters. Proofread. Check for grammar, spelling, and design consistency. Step 8. Present to the class. Practice presentation skills. Encourage students to practice presenting to confidently explain each section. Facilitate a discussion. After the presentation, open a discussion on students' own experiences with filters and their thoughts on the impacts they researched.